Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use Instabuilder 2.0 to build high converting landing or splash pages. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with picking a template that I like. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Okay, you could also create one from scratch by clicking the green button at the bottom. Once that comes up, the next thing you'll do is make sure you start making the changes that you want. So I'm going to start off with taking this logo off, and I'm just going to click here, and once I click there, you'll see a edit button show up, and I'm going to go ahead and delete. Okay, that's good. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click down on this text area and click the pencil for edit, and I'm going to make some changes to this text right here. Okay, and what I wanted to say is free report shows you how to get her to forgive you. Okay, and then for the information here for the form, I don't want just the email address, so I'm going to say enter your name and email address. Okay, but we don't have the name here, so I'm going to go ahead and click here, and I'm going to actually add in an opt-in field. Click manage fields here, and then I'm going to take the name off hide, click required, make sure that it checks for the email, and click save. And as you can see here, it showed up. By the way, you can move this out of your way. All you have to do is move it like that. I just keep it here, and then I use the arrow to take it up and down. Okay, the next thing I'm going to change is the information in the actual button. So I'm going to go to opt-in form button, edit button, and then I'm going to do button text. And the only thing I have to do here is take off that part, and that's the way I like it, and that's good. Okay, sounds good. Now, since this is an opt-in form, you have to have your autoresponder connected. So I'm going to click on the form, click the settings again, click on opt-in form code, and you can get that from either your autoresponder such as Aweber or GetResponse. Once you do that, you click process. It will show you if it processed correctly, and then you hide that panel and you're done. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the settings button and click page settings, and I don't like that background image, so I'm going to come down here and I'm going to remove it. After I remove it, I don't want that gray background, so I'm going to change the background color. I'm going to select the color, and because I know the actual hexadecimal code of the color that I want, I'm just going to put that in, and that's going to change it to what I want, which is white. Okay, so I have that right there. Now that looks pretty blank, so what I want to do is I want to take an image element and bring the image element over as such. It tells you to click to upload or edit image. So I'm going to click, and then I'm going to go ahead and click the edit button. I'm going to click action, and I'm going to upload an image. Okay, so that takes a couple of seconds to come up, and then I'm going to click on this vase of flowers, and I'm going to click use image. Okay, I'm done here. I'm going to hide the panel, and then I'm going to click on the actual image, and I'm going to start manipulating the image to the way that I want. So take your time with this, get it exactly the way you want. Make sure you see the bars so that you can move them back and forth, and as you can see, if that moves like that, it spaces it out pretty nicely. Okay, then the next thing I want to do is I want to have it with some space up here because it's a little bit too close for my preferences, and then I'm just going to reduce it until I get it to exactly where I think it will work on the page. Okay, so great, that's it. Looks really good. I'm going to go ahead and save it. You can save all along if you like. If not, just make sure you save at the end. You can publish it to your WordPress site, or you can go ahead and you can save it to HTML so you can import or upload up to your server. And the last thing you want to do is just click on this eye to take a look at what your finished product will look like. And as you can see, this is what we will get when it comes up. Oh, that's gorgeous. And that's in 5 minutes. Thanks.